Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. A month is almost over, guys. And we have here... oh boy. Coming from Fotopro. So definitely check them out. Fotopro. Alright. Let's see what's inside. Oh boy. Here we go. And cell phone thingy. Holder. And we got something over here. Oh baby. Can never go wrong with one of these guys. We got a trusty new tripod. Coming from Photo. Ooh. Oh, this feels a nice grip. Hold it. Take selfies. Set the video mode. 1 second. Now I had to grab my iPhone. And we're going to try this one. Extended for other phones. Oh, come on. Come on. There we go. Got it locked in. All you gotta do is have some fun. There we go. There we go. We got the pivot down. 360 all the way. Alright, alright. You can adjust it at that. And then go like that. Shoot it like in this mode. Put the password. Shoot it like that, sideways. Or you can have it like this. Kind of like they do in the movie theaters. Has a nice grip. And they got other ones you can put on the side. Press. Bada boom, remove the clip. And there we go. That was easy. This one. And we got this thing, which I think is this the shutter. Oh, you can take Bluetooth. Okay, turn it on. Go into your Bluetooth settings. Bluetooth. Oops, Wi-Fi. Security. There we go. Mobile phone. B24. There we go. Watch this. Boom. See? You have your selfies. That's pretty cool. Alright, so there you have it. Really nice tripod for your cell phone. Get them now. Link will be down below. Fotopro. right here on Amazon. Let's see if yep, I think that's about it for these. Alright guys, see you in the next video.